Welcome to my channel. I am Leslie Wolf, the former school teacher and current children's yoga instructor. I am here to help teachers and moms learn to use yoga with their children so that they will show self-control, learn to calm down, and focus better in school. Today, I will be showing you how to create a calm down space in your home or in your classroom so that anytime a child is just needing a moment to stop and breathe, to refocus while they are stressed out, they will have a space that they can go. It is safe, they can become calmer, and then they are ready to get back to whatever you're doing in the classroom or at home, and they will be a lot more focused. For starters, find a comfy corner in your classroom or in your home where you can put a very comfortable chair if you have one, or you can find cute little pillows like this. I found this one at the Target dollar spot. Any type of comfy little cute eye-catching pillow that the child can sit on or possibly lay down on if they just need to take a little rest break. Along with that, I highly recommend grabbing a yoga mat. You can find them for $5 at Five Below. If you can find them in kid-friendly colors, that's even better. They can lay the yoga mat out and lay down using the pillow if they so choose, just to get more comfortable. Next to the chair or the pillow and the yoga mat, you will want a basket. This basket is full of goodies that I'm going to share with you right now. I will show you the first one. This is a mindfulness jar. There will be another video about how to make mindfulness jars. These are so calming, and they just help kids to stop and focus for a minute and calm down. Think about the lava lamps that many of us had whenever we were kids. This kind of mimics that, but you can make them with your children at home or in school, or you can just make one yourself to have in your basket. So when you turn them upside down, they move very slowly. It may be a little hard to see on video. There we go. And if you just look at it and focus, that may be all it takes to help you calm down. Next up in the basket, I have what I like to call a breathing ball. Children love these. It's also known as a Hoberman sphere, so if you search for it on Amazon, that's where you will find it. You take a deep breath in as the ball opens, and then you take a deep breath out as the ball closes. Children can do this themselves, or you could use it in a morning meeting to demonstrate how to do it and then have it sitting in your basket. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Taking a few breaths like that is sometimes all you need to help you calm down and focus. Next up is some type of fidget. I've chosen poppets because poppets can be very calming and satisfying, as children like to call it these days. I have two different ones here. You can use as many or just one. That's all you really need. And they can stop in the calming corner and very quietly push the poppets through. You can find poppets just about anywhere, usually the dollar store, or you can go to a place like Target or Walmart. All of these places have poppets. Next up is a windmill that I found at Dollar Tree. Children can stop, take a deep breath in, and blow out, trying to get the windmill to move. For younger children, this can be challenging, so it also gives them a nice challenge as they are sitting there trying to calm down. One more time, deep breath in, and blow out. Just stopping to breathe helps all people, adults too, to calm down. Rainbow pebbles are another favorite for the calm down corner. If you have a yoga mat, they can lay the yoga mat out and they can open this box and place these on the mat, and they're trying to build whatever object is on the different cards that are included, and all the pebbles come with it. I found these on Amazon. Books are always important to have in a calm down corner. Children can lay down, sit in the chair if that's what you so choose, and choose a book, I would suggest only having about 2 books to choose from, and they can choose one of those. Age appropriate, of course. This one is called King Calm, and he actually teaches his grandpa how to calm down. And then in this one, Wilma Jean and the Worry Machine. While it is a picture book, it is a little bit longer, so maybe for a little bit older children. And Wilma Jean is a worrier. She has some anxiety, and this book teaches her how to calm down and stop worrying so much. So those are 2 that I would suggest, but any book, just so that they can take time to sit there and read and relax, would be great in your calm down corner. The last thing that I recommend is some type of plant in your calm down corner. There is something about greenery and plants and trees and nature in general that helps us to naturally calm down. It can be real, it can be fake, but I highly recommend putting a plant there. Thank you so much for joining today. If you are a teacher, you can join the Calm and Focus Teachers Lounge Facebook group. It is solely for teachers. It is free. Every week I make a post or I go live with little tidbits of information just like this one. I have a whole list of items that you can put in your calm down corner in that group. So go answer the questions and join the Calm and Focused Teachers Lounge for lots more information.